What would I do if I had to start over with $0 in 2025? No savings. No job. No help. Nothing. If I was broke today, this is the exact step-by-step plan I would follow to get back on my feet and start building wealth again. Step 1. Fix my mindset. The first thing I'd do is accept that being broke is temporary. I'd stop complaining, stop blaming, and focus only on solutions. A broke mindset keeps you poor. A problem-solving mindset gets you out. Step 2. Quick money now. I wouldn't waste weeks looking for a perfect job. I'd look for fast cash options that anyone can start today. That means freelancing online, offering simple services like writing, editing, or designing. If I can't do that, I'd look at offline hustles like delivery, cleaning, or selling something small. The goal is quick cash flow, not perfection. Step 3. Build a skill. Once I have a little cash, I'd invest my time in free skill building. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Skillshare have free or cheap courses. Skills in 2025 that pay fast are content creation, AI tools, social media management, coding basics, and copywriting. Skills are what turn $0 into $1,000 and beyond. Step 4. Create multiple streams. With some income and skill, I'd move into building more than one stream. One active, like freelancing. One semi-passive, like digital products or YouTube. And one long-term, like investing small amounts in index funds or digital assets. Relying on one paycheck is dangerous. Step 5. Scale smart. I'd reinvest profits instead of wasting them. If I made $100, I'd spend $20 on myself and put $80 back into the hustle. That could mean buying better tools, running ads, or outsourcing tasks. This is how small money becomes big money. Step 6. Smart habits. I'd live below my means, save at least 20%, and track every expense. Money habits matter more than income. People making $5,000 can stay broke if they spend badly, while someone making $1,500 can grow if they spend wisely. Step 7. Long-term wealth. After building stability, I'd focus on assets. Assets like stocks, real estate, or scalable online businesses. Assets keep working for you even when you're not working. Closing call to action. So if I had to start over with $0, this is my blueprint: fix the mindset, earn fast, build skills, create multiple streams, scale, and invest. Anyone watching this can do the same. Being broke is not the end, it's a fresh start. If you found this video useful, hit subscribe to Dollar Decision for more money tips, side hustles, and financial freedom strategies in 2025.